Morning guys, welcome back. Sorry, it's not morning. Good evening guys, welcome back to Siaosi and Victoria's cooking show. This is not really our cooking show, this is what we're doing. It's Friday evening. And before I start the vlog, I just really want to apologize about Tuesday's upload. We did have footage, but I just didn't want to bore you guys. I mean, we only did something at like 11:30 at that night. My cousin came down from Sydney. He was tattooing here in Canberra and we went out. So other than that, we just stayed home all day and I just didn't feel like it was YouTube worthy. So I do apologize. I'll try not to do that again to you guys. Just wanted to get that out there. But tonight I'm cooking chicken carbonara. Not the healthiest in the book, and I've been doing so much overtime as well. That was another reason why I couldn't upload the video, edit the video, is because I've been doing overtime almost like every single day, and I'm doing it on Saturday as well. Siaosi's also working at his new job on Saturday too, so he shouldn't be complaining that I'm working tomorrow. I'm also working next Saturday as well, so I'll try and juggle it all. And possibly this weekend, I'll be making my mum's Samoan Pai. So stay tuned. Me and my oma. We just finished work, guys. We are eggs roasted. He's got clothes on. Don't be silly. It is so hot. It's 30.
42.
No, it's not, honey.
37.
Oh, no, you're just making it up. It's 35 degrees today.
No, 35 yesterday.
It's 35 again today.
No, 35.
Yes, it is, honey. If I check it, and then what? It bought
Check it.
Anyways, we just got home. Ow! The house is so hot. I'm making dinner. Siaosi wants to go to the gym, and I'm like, boy, please. These feet of mine need a rest.
I'm crazy because I'm angry.
Angry about what?
Angry about everything.
Look at Siaosi's back of his head. It's so flat. Because his mum always put him down on the ground when he was a baby.
Look, my hair is so cute.
Go turn to the other side. He's a flathead.
No.
His mummy was like, nah.
I didn't cry when my mom goes somewhere, cook the food, make and I'm laying down and watching on the wall every day.
Oh, that's so funny. I could just picture him like, Mommy. Hey guys, it's like 10:30, 10:45 right now, and I had a little nap, which ended up being 3 hours, which wasn't a little nap. And I made myself a smoothie, a kale smoothie, and Siaosi's eating the carbonara. I'll have to show you guys what it looked like. I'll have to show you what it looked like. We're just bored, and seriously, I won't be able to get to bed tonight until probably 12 or 12:30, and I'm working tomorrow. So this is the carbonara, like 4 hours later. It's a bit cold. Morning guys, it's Saturday morning and I'm so tired. So is Siaosi. We're on our way to work together. I need to do my hair, and after work we're gonna go do a little bit of shopping and get some fruits and vegetables, because I've been meaning to tell you guys, and I'm so excited to tell you guys, I've been eating so much better this week. Definitely cut out a lot of junk. I'm more cautious and aware of what I'm eating these days, or this week at least. And I haven't been having dinner. Like, I do, but I have a shake, which is like not dinner to me. So I've been having a shake for dinner, and I just go to sleep feeling very light and it's really good because I'm trying to get back into it. And I've been to the gym a couple of times with Siaosi this week.
Morning everyone. Just going to work. So tired. It's okay. We need more money.
I went to drop Siaosi off and they told us that he's not working today.
Yeah.
He's so upset about it.
Because no one's coming at work. That's why. It's only me.
Yeah, apparently they all called in sick, so they just cancelled the work. And I'm like, well, they could have called us before we came.
No, because it's Saturday.
Whatever, babe. I gotta go do my hair in my office. Get McDonald's. Ifall. Han mycket det då ifall jag gillar bacon man får måla I alla fall. I just finished work. Hey boo boo. Oh. Matt. So where are we going now, baby?
Shiro. Vamos pôr os carros.
Anyways, we just actually, I want to take this time, sorry, while we're driving to the mall to really appreciate you guys. We really just want to say thank you to everyone. We see your comments and sometimes we don't reply to every single one of them, but trust me, we feel it in our heart, and I just want to just really thank you guys. I really, really, really love you guys. And I thank you. We've hit over 2,000 and I'm so sorry we still don't have our camera. But Siaosi just started back at his new job, so we're not quite sure when he's gonna get that for us. But I promise it's coming. It'll be here. It'll be here before the end of January. I can promise you that. And I won't break that promise. I know I've broken the promise of 1,000 subscribers, but I promise you I won't break that promise. And if I do, then comment below on some ideas that I can do to make it up to you guys, but I'll try not to. No, I won't break that promise. Look at this fob. I told him to go sit down and eat. Well, it's pretty packed here, so there's no tables available. I'm gonna try and be good and get grain wheat bread. Can I get lettuce, tomato, cucumber, olives and gherkin? I'm trying to be good, yo. So I got a 6-inch sub instead of a foot long that I usually would get. And I'm gonna have some of Siaosi's schnitzel and chips, but just a little bit. I got a fillet, chicken fillet sub with salad. How's your food, babe? La 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 la. Nick did a short board. Go buddy, go buddy, go buddy, go! I'm gonna make my mom's pie tonight. So I got everything except for the custard. Yeah. Kakay mua mau lang ang price. The price ay whakau mai yun nga. I told Siaosi whoever finds it first gets a prize. I got a gluten-free one, but that's not the one that we need. This is the one. Foster's Clark's.
Custard powder.
Custard powder. Yeah, la little price here, Moa. No, I knew it was here. What's my prize, honey? I get to have a chocolate. Let's go, boy. Gosh, it's so hot, I'm sweating.
Yeah.
Didn't even realize. Hi. I'm sweating everywhere. Look cute. I just can't wait to get a camera. I really hope Siaosi gets me a camera for my birthday. Anyways, my birthday's on Tuesday. I haven't got much planned at all. Oh, you should. If I leave me out. That's right, boy. Get it. Get it, boy.
Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, boy.
He's so silly. Kwa kun menga le yo, kwa mama yo nang poka. Oh, can I have some juice? My sister made vaimelengi.
This is Mama Satita's recipe.
Otai.
I just didn't put sugar in it.
Best. Oh my gosh, look at my sea. We're having a small little rest. And then we're gonna go... Where, babe? We're gonna go to the gym tonight, I think.
Yeah.
He's so cute. Look at that photo. Siaosi was so small. And I was a lot smaller as well, but don't worry about that, girl. I just finished my first tin. I'm so... Now I know what my mom feels. It's pretty hard work, and the past couple of times we've been helping her, which has been really awesome for her. But to do it on your own, God. I've still got 2 more to go. And Darnell's trying, and he thinks he's helping me. Thinks is the key word. This is my nephew. And are you making a pizza there? I'm now doing the, making the custard for the pai. I didn't have a fruit salad tin, so I just made a fresh, I don't know, we've only got strawberries and mangoes. I'm going to put in the custard. I'm about to put in the, make the custard now. Siaosi finally woke up from his little nap.
Where to?
And now helping.
Who with?
My little nephew is helping as well. We're making 4 in total. Because I was so busy cutting up the strawberries and cleaning the ulo, the pot to make the custard, I burnt the first one. Let's hope I don't burn the next 3. So I've got the milk. I just cut up fresh strawberries, mango, vanilla extract. I've literally been standing here for like 10 minutes. No exaggeration, just stirring, 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 stirring. And the key is not to get it to stick. Probably a bad idea that I got the mango in there. I'm not sure, but we'll soon find out. It's starting to get thicker now. Consistency of this is right, but it's really thick. So I'm going to put it in now. probably won't put fresh mango in there again because it just dissolved and went all stringy, and the custard of it stuck to the string of the mango. I think that's what's happening because it's all lumpy, which it shouldn't be.
Victoria.
Yes, Danielle. I think it's cooled down completely now, so I'm just going to put the cream on it. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,
If you like it, subscribe.
if you like, subscribe.